first thing you want to do is add the bracket that attaches to the roof rack and mount it on the back of the panel with the provided bolts. Once that is put together, you want to line it up on the roof rack and see which bars may need to be moved over in order to install the panel. Once you have the bars in the correct spot, you can go ahead and mount the panel to the roof rack. Once mounted, you can go ahead and lock the ram suction cups onto the window. Now for the fun part, adding all your gear to the panel. Make sure you add the accessory mounting brackets before you install the panel, as this will make things much easier. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I will be putting a link in the description down below for tactical roof rack solutions, and also for my website if you want to get yourself some Yoda Ventures or the Overland Co gear.